Working with non-native CAD data, whether you're in a multi-CAD environment or simply receiving design files from different sources, is commonplace in nearly every engineering organization. That's why Autodesk Inventor 2020 continues to work with tools like SOLIDWORKS, and in this release adds updated translation, import, and export for CATIA, JT, Parasolids, and Rhino. Expanded translation connections allow you to leverage CAD files from virtually any source. This enables you to create designs without having to worry about where the data comes from. Additionally, the latest update makes it easier than ever to connect with Fusion 360 for generative design workflows to Inventor. Now, you simply reference the Fusion 360 files, eliminating the need to import and export. Users can access generative design right inside of Fusion 360 as part of their product design and manufacturing collection entitlement. Then get started on setting up and running design studies to find the best possible solution based on the design requirements. Associative connections to Fusion 360 Team and AnyCAD creates a link directly to the generatively designed component. Need to make updates in Fusion 360? You won't have to waste time rearranging your Inventor designs. Instead, a change made anywhere updates everywhere. Keep your assemblies up to date with a single click while preserving your work. Autodesk Inventor with AnyCAD technology makes it easier than ever to work with anyone regardless of the CAD environment.